Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, your host, and with me today is my amazing co-host, Julia.
We're so excited to have you here with us today. If you're someone who struggles with thinking in English, then this episode is just for you.
That's right. Have you ever found yourself translating every word in your head before speaking? It slows you down, right?
Exactly. Many English learners face this problem. They think in their native language first, then try to translate into English. And by the time they're ready to speak, the moment has passed.
But don't worry. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to train your brain to think directly in English, just like a native speaker. And trust me, once you start thinking in English, everything becomes easier. Speaking, listening, even writing.
So if you've ever wondered how to stop translating and start thinking in English naturally, stay with us, because we've got some powerful techniques to share.
Let's dive in.
Alright, let's start with the big question. Why is thinking in English so important for learners?
Great question. The truth is, if you always think in your native language first and then translate, you'll never be able to speak fluently.
Exactly. It creates a delay, right? Your brain is working twice as hard. First it forms a sentence in your native language, then it tries to find the right English words.
And sometimes the translation doesn't even make sense.
Oh, absolutely! Like if someone translates I am cold word for word from another language, they might say I have cold, which sounds unnatural in English.
Right. And that's why thinking in English helps so much. It trains your brain to form sentences the way native speakers do, without getting stuck on translation.
And let's talk about confidence.
When you start thinking in English, you feel more confident because words come to you faster.
Yes. No more pausing for long seconds to translate in your head. You'll respond naturally and smoothly. Another big reason, it improves your listening skills.
If you think in English, your brain processes English conversations faster, so you understand people better.
That's so true. And not just in conversations. Even when you're watching movies or listening to music, you start recognizing words instantly instead of translating everything. Another big reason, it improves your listening skills.
If you think in English, your brain processes English conversations faster, so you understand people better.
That's so true. And not just in conversations. Even when you're watching movies or listening to music, you start recognizing words instantly instead of translating everything. And let's not forget that thinking in English also helps with pronunciation.
Good point.